Hey YouTube, hit up record, back with another video. You might notice what I have right here. Well, this is my Lego Pocket Knife. It has this spot right here, this thing right here, so you're able to pull it out, the knife part. So you have that. I think I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's really simple. I just made it just now. It took me a while, but I just got it. So here we go. Take it. Stand up. Well, I'm trying to make a Lego background for some reason. Alright, so basically what you're gonna do is get a 1x2 or 1x3, doesn't matter. In this case I'm using a 1x2 and 1x1, and you get this 1x6 smooth tile piece. Place the 1x1 right into there, that spot right there. Take a 1x2 there. Take a circular 1x1 stud, 1x1 stud. Just place it there. And then for right here, take this 2x4, place it there. So you have that. And that's basically the blade part. Now you take a 2x8. And what you do is you take a 1x1 stud, place it there. Take another 1x1 stud, place it there. So you have that. Now you take a 1x6 tile piece right there, and and just fill this part up with bricks. Doesn't matter how you fill it up with bricks, but just fill it up with bricks. So you have that. Now what you do is you take this piece and this part of the 1x2, place it onto this 1x2 where the tile pieces, and now you just place another 2x8 on there, and there's your pocket knife. Hope you like the video. Comment, subscribe, and see you. Hold up. Tell me before I end this video. I'm gonna see which background would you most likely want to do. This green background, Lego background, or this gray one. Write down in the comments. Comment on which background I should use. And I have two of these gray backgrounds. It's basically a 11 by 11 by 21, and then this would be a 16 by 16 base plate, and this is a 11 by 21 plate. So comment on which plate I should use, and just write any kind of comment, and after that, and just subscribe. That's all I have to say. Later.